Hey guys, today on Aden's World, I'm going to be showing you the 5 must-know crafting recipes in Minecraft. And no matter which version of Minecraft you're playing, these recipes are a must. So let's get into it. Your inventory's crafting grid can only get you so far, and in order to craft more advanced items, you'll need the crafting table. In order to make the crafting table, you'll need 1 log of any kind. Then you'll need to place it into any slot of your inventory's crafting grid. And this will make 4 planks. Finally, place your planks 1 into each slot in the crafting grid and you will get a crafting table. Now that you've crafted the crafting table, let's move on to the second item. Minecraft is all about mining, and to do so you'll need a pickaxe. In order to craft a wooden pickaxe, you'll need 2 logs of any kind. Then place your logs into 1 slot on the crafting grid, which will give you 4 planks per log. Once you have 8 planks, place 2 in the crafting grid like this to get 4 sticks. Finally, place 3 planks across the top of your grid and 2 sticks like so. This will give you a wooden pickaxe. As you progress in Minecraft, you will find better materials to craft your tools with, such as stone, iron, or diamonds. You can use the same method to craft any pickaxe, just swap out the planks for a material of your choice. In Minecraft, you will encounter monsters at night, and you will need a way to protect yourself, and that's where the sword comes in. To craft your sword, you will need a crafting table. In order to craft a wooden sword, you will need 1 log of any kind. Then, you will need to place your log into 1 slot on the crafting grid, which will give you 4 planks. Now that you have 4 planks, place 2 of them like this to get 4 sticks. Finally, place 2 planks down from the top of the grid down to the center. Then place a stick at the bottom. This will give you a wooden sword. As you obtain better materials in Minecraft, you can use the same method to craft any sword, just swap out the planks for a material of your choice. Minecraft is about mining and collecting better materials, such as iron, in which case you'll need to smelt it, and that is where you'll need a furnace. To craft a furnace, you'll need your crafting table. In order to craft a furnace, you'll need 8 cobblestone, which is obtained by mining stone. Then you'll need to place your cobblestone like so. And like that, you have a furnace. The furnace is a useful tool that allows you to smelt ores, cook food, and much more. When you're in the mines searching for diamonds, it gets really dark and monsters start spawning. In this case, you'll need some torches. In order to make a torch, you will need either coal or charcoal, and a stick. You can get coal in caves, on the sides of mountains, or in mine shafts. To make charcoal, you'll need a furnace, and 1 log of any kind. Place the log in the top slot of the furnace. Then place planks or another log into the bottom slot. The top log will be turned into charcoal. To craft a torch, either use your inventory's crafting grid or a crafting table. Then place a stick on the bottom, coal or charcoal on top like so. This will turn it into 4 torches. Torches are very useful for lighting up a cave, your house, village, etc. And that's all the 5 must-know items in Minecraft. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell button so you'll never miss out on another video on Aden's World. We'll see you next time on Aden's World.